All right, we are live. What's up?
What's going on?
I gotta put my cat outside.
Live
Everybody's playing with
stream,
that phone.
hanging in there. We're doing this. Look at this thing. Look at it.
Awesome.
That is beautiful, man. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Wonder if I
Yeah,
should. What's that?
wow. Tell me what you got going on here, man. Wow. Look at
I'm not
this.
gonna say anything just yet.
The magnets almost look
There we
like
go.
little people
Yeah,
next
they
to it.
do. And this thing is gonna it's like a speed bag for little people.
All right, man.
Let's get some light on it.
Welcome in.
Hello, hello. All right, you ready?
Oh my goodness.
Should we wait?
Oh my goodness.
Should we wait? All right, here we go.
Oh man, that's going fast. It's going quick. My God.
Yeah. That's how you got to stop it. So, I mean,
Oh
I'm
my
going to make sure the
goodness.
transistors are all good. And this is the chill stuff. We check the coils, make sure they're not getting hot. It's good. This is beautiful.
Dude.
So it's like an inverted pulse motor. I don't know how you're going to get any readings off this, but maybe we can work a commutator into it somehow.
Yeah.
Let's spin it the other way.
Dude. It's like the same.
Wow. I got
It's
two more
internet.
coils to hook up.
What's
Oh,
up,
yeah.
Sainty? Can you
Hey.
translate that for us, my man? Or woman? I'm not sure. Thank you for the like. Welcome in.
Appreciate it, everybody. Thank
We
you.
are working with some pulse motors this evening.
I'll answer any questions you have or might have.
And I'll plug my channel a little later. I'm from Convergence Emergence. And we're doing some futurism kind of stuff over there.
Awesome. Yeah, you should check out his channel. It's really cool. All right. Try this again. So there's only two coils active on the 180.
That is quick, man. And it's got all that stuff on the top, and it's like it's hair that's flowing. Yeah, it's like that.
Wow, man. Yeah, the flowing hair with the electricity flowing through it.
Yes. Oh man, that's cool.
All right, let's get a close up. Let's get a close up. I'm gonna take this off of here real quick.
Oh my goodness.
All right, there we go. All right, so we got two circuits in here, one for each coil that's active. So you got your transistor right there. You got your light bulb. One of them has a toggle switch. I think I'm going to remove that. All you really need is some good transistors, and you're fine. But one of them does have a way to turn the power off, and that's right there. But the power is off currently because it's not running. So on each 180 degrees, which would be that one and this one right here, that 180, that's active right now. So when it passes the magnets on the outside, it hits right there, and then it will hit again right here, both of them. Let me put this back on the tripod. I'm not used to doing the split screen.
Right. No, you're good. And they do look like little people, the magnets. Hmm. Like figurines.
Yeah, I had to elevate them. So
No, they look cool. Like something straight out of one of those cartoons. One of
one of
those
those
new cartoons.
cartoons. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Make those things get up and walk around with some AI video. Yeah, that is just straight up
Oh,
spinning. It looks like a swirl almost.
straight up power. That's what that is. That's 20 gauge with a 28 gauge trigger,
Yeah,
and it's 200 turns in a localized area.
right on.
And those big magnets are hitting right on the edge of that, and it's just boom, the torque getting up to speed and going really fast are it's a combination of both happening really fast.
Big magnets. Yeah.
I would let it go, but I mean, I don't know how long those batteries are going to last, and I don't know if I want to put my hand on that when it's going really, really fast. But I'll figure it out. I will definitely figure that out. All right, let's spin it the other way.
Can I get it spun? It's spinning. That's counterclockwise. So that's the other way. And it's smooth. And it looks like a swirl going the
And
other
I
way.
like how it lines up on the outside of of the coils because the
Mm.
batteries are attracting the magnets. I like all this.
Magnets.
Sorry, man. Hey, how's
Thank,
everybody Thanksgiving go?
thank you for the thank you for the likes, everybody. Welcome
How's
in.
everybody Thanksgiving? Yeah, Thanksgiving good?
You got good
Thanksgiving great.
Thanksgiving. Did you guys have a great Thanksgiving? Thank you for the
So
likes.
I need two little breadboards. Like this, I got a little black one in here, and it's perfect for what I need for these two coils. I don't need this big white one, or I could actually put this coil circuitry in that white one right now. I might do that, and then just need one little breadboard for the other side because this breadboard's big enough to hold the two circuits in it. So
Dose. This is good. This is good.
yeah. So who wants me to fire it up?
Fired up.
So it's a double whammy on every turn, man. Every like 90 degrees, it's hitting twice. Awesome. I really
That
don't.
is awesome.
I'm worried about what's going to happen if I just let it run.
Yeah, you just got this little character with wires, and he's going like this. He's just fly. You just imagine a little cartoon wire thing flying around.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I just had an epiphany earlier today. I was working with reed switches in this thing, and it worked a little bit, but I'm like, there's way too much magnetic interference going on here, and I need to get a more refined switch. And so I'm like, I tried the trigger strand earlier, like when I first built it on the other rotor,
Yeah,
and yeah, it didn't work. So I decided to use a reed switch.
yeah.
And that just I burnt out 25 of those things in a day. And I was just like, all right, this isn't working either. So I decided to change the circuit I was using from SSG kind of circuit to a 1-2-3 circuit, which is also kind of SSG with a lot of stuff removed. And it worked really good. The 1-2-3 circuit works great. You got your base connection with one, you got your collector connection with two, and you got your emitter connections with three connections.
So
And
what are we looking at all together right here? This is a new kind of thing.
it's an electromagnetic rotor. It's basically you just got your electromags on the rotor instead of the magnets. It works the same way now that I figured out, a circuit that works. You just spin it.
Yeah, and
And it goes.
I'm all like there's a wire cartoon character spinning around on top of that thing, and then all the magnets are little cartoon people.
Wow.
So yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, little cartoon people. And they're like worshiping the spinny thing in the middle.
Yeah.
They're like kneeling down and kissing the feet of the spinny thing in the middle.
And then there's just a dude flying around on top of it. Like,
Yeah, it was like on a sled. He's on a sled. It's like Santa Claus, right? He's just whipping around on a sled and he's got long, silvery, flowing hair. And he's just like, boom, he might even be naked. Just kind of on the sled, going around in a big circle with the rotor.
right on.
You can imagine that, right?
Yeah.
And he's like, woohoo! Might even be drunk. Who knows?
I mean,
Yeah.
maybe. Maybe. Maybe he might be puking. Then you have to do like animated cartoon puke. That'd be a lot. That'd be a lot of budget.
That'd be over budget, man. We couldn't do that, even if we did low budget. It's just too much ingredient to make a good puke. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Too much ingredient.
Right. And this is a wire. This dude is made out of wire. He's just a cartoon dude, but he's an important part. He's an integral part of the circuit.
That's a fact, Jack.
Hmm.
Wow.
How's it going?
I'm just blown away, dude. I'm having the time of my life. I wish more people would want to check this out.
I know this is great. Thank
It
you for
is good.
coming in, everybody. We appreciate y'all.
We do appreciate you. I mean that sincerely.
Yeah. I'm
I'm
having a
not the
great
one who's
time.
all. I'm just trying here to demonstrate something, and somebody isn't taking it very seriously.
Johnson.
Oh,
Orbison. I know who
what's
it
that?
is. It's
What's that?
Orbison.
Right. So,
Thank you for the
and it is
likes.
very simple. It is very simple, but it's good. I mean, it's a good build.
It's a good build. It's got some coil. It's got some magnet. It's got some wire. It's got some breadboard. It's got some glue.
Definitely some glue.
It's got some 3D print
Got some
material.
transistors.
Got some transistors. Got some combiners.
Yeah, little clips
Mhm.
that connect the wires that need to be connected. Since I don't have any PCB or soldering skills, I just use the clips, and it works good enough.
Mm.
Good enough to get the point across.
Oh my. What kind of coils you got up on here?
These are bifilar coils, 28 gauge and 20 gauge. 20 gauge for the drive, 28 for the trigger, and they're 200 turns in length, and they're tight and short, and that's exactly what you need for something like this.
Do we have smaller batteries?
I do not have smaller batteries that are 12 volts.
Hmm.
And now, if you're talking about a lower voltage, I have 3-volt batteries, and I can do a couple of those in series. I can work with that, but that's going to mess the weight up. It's going to mess it up. And it doesn't really matter how, like, it does. I mean, I think it moves better with the weight on it than the weight off of it by a lot.
Welcome in. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. And I've done a lot of experiments. I have the coin batteries, and I bought some some holders in there so that I can connect the batteries to the system. And I have yet to do that. I would try it definitely just to change it up a little bit. Um, I would try. I would like to do maybe a 6-volt test with that, and have 2 of them in series per circuit. Sounds like that might work
Yeah, that's slick.
because
What's
this
up?
and
What's up, Gold?
it's OP. It's way OP for the toy that I want it to be. It is more in 12 volts through the 20 gauge coil size that's here.
Hmm.
It's powerful, man. It is a combo
Hmm.
that is awesome.
Yeah. What's up right here? We got, hold on. How's it going? My eyes are bad. I can't
You see
even
that
focus
torque?
on it. Shahid.
Mm. All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome. This is a pulse motor built in reverse, kind of. You got your electromags on the outside, or I mean on the inside on the rotor. These are the electromags, these coils right here. And you got your perm mags on the outside. Um, and when they combine, it pushes, and the trigger strand allows the electricity to flow through the drive part of the coil, and then wham, you get an you get motive force and an electromagnetic field,
Boom.
but you get more of the motive force, especially if they're close. If the permanent magnets are in close to the rotor, you're going to get a massive push. Just like in a pulse motor, the closer they are, the more massive the push. But you don't necessarily need a massive push when you're using it as a generator. It's just
Straight
for like
up.
working in motorism. You know what I'm saying? If you're using it as a like a generator, and you're even maybe trying to mess with the laws, you know what I'm saying? Trying to
More
use it as a
massive.
generator to power itself. And whatever you're trying to do, it. I forgot what I was gonna say. It's all good though.
Shout out Nunya. Yeah. No, you're good. More massive.
Yeah. So the tinier the coil in this instance, the better.
The better.
Absolutely. Like it should be roughly the shape of the permanent magnet that you're using to push. Roughly that shape so that the outer edge and the outer edge combine. That's where you're going to get your biggest push. You notice how these are rectangles and the coils are circles. Okay, that's not optimal. That is not optimal, but that's all I got right now. So that's how it's going to be. And then these are round. These work really good. These ferrites. You might not be able to see those ones. They're in the back.
Yeah, it's definitely different with the split screen. How's it going, people? Welcome in. Thank you for
Well,
dropping in.
hello. We're definitely going to need to. I don't know. It works good. I think it works very well.
Very well. All right, and then we got. Are there 4 magnets around that?
Yeah. There's a magnets at 90 degrees.
Okay, so there's 4 little cartoon people. There's 1 wire dude,
And they're
cartoon
pushing the
person.
merry-go-round. They're pushing the merry-go-round, and the naked Santa Claus is riding the merry-go-round, and his hair is blowing in the breeze. Right?
Yeah, but he's made out of wire. So you could imagine it can work out however it needs to work out. Ah. It's like, what are y'all talking about?
All right. So I'm going to turn this on. I'll point it out. Like this wire right here gets whipping, and
Look at
you can. It looks like hair blowing in the breeze. So where it's coming
that.
from.
Come here, Johnson. Come here, John. Come here, Johnson. You're good. This guy. This is an old cat. Say hi, Mr. Gizmo. Say hello. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Gizmo will be 21 years old in February. Yes, you are. You want some turkeys? You want some turkey? Does it got the tryptophan in it? You go to sleep? Yes. Here we go, bro. Here we go. Yeah. You got sharp claws, man. You're fine. You're good. There's turkey right there, man. Look at the giant. There's the giant legs right there. You got it. You got it.
I don't get it, man. I don't fucking understand it.
Have you tried another
Another
electromagnet
platform, maybe.
pushing on the rotor? That's a pretty old kitty. Yes, you are old, my man, and you're needy. You're very needy. Yes, you are. But you're so cool. You can have anything you want. All right.
No, this does not generate electricity that you can harness in any kind of way. That's not what it does. I'm gonna let you all figure out what it does. Okay, I'm really just fed up.
This is yeah. We got small magnet people. Oh man, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh, you're good. Good job, Mr. Brown.
All right, since everybody wants to see something generate, we're just gonna move this over here. We'll do that later, maybe. Maybe we'll do that later.
We will maybe do that later. Oh my goodness, Mr. Gizmo. You're good, Gizzy. You're good, Mr. Gizzy. Good boy. Yeah, that is cool. That's like Ferris wheel super speed. Oh man, look at that. That's fat. How big is that coil, homie?
It's just a tiny this wire coil. Forgot how many total feet it is, but it's really short. I think it's like 12 strands in theory, and then it's got the same amount in the trigger coil.
That is so cool. So it weighs like 2 grams. I'm just playing. Look at that. It's just that's spinning fast. It's a lot of spin. Spin City.
I started with one permanent mag on the edge, and one coil, and I moved up to two perms on the edge with one coil, and then I did two coils, and now I got four mags on the edge with two coils. So yeah, I've done a lot of increasing of the magnets.
How's it going?
I'm up to 1223 on the battery,
Shine?
so it doesn't charge very fast because it's tiny, but it's a lich wire coil, so it charges more than a regular coil would, I would imagine, of that size, of course. We're keeping everything in its proper dimensions now. Yeah, there you go, 1224. It's real soothing just watching these things move and do what they're supposed to do. It means you hooked it up right. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that is smooth.
25, 1225. Oh, if we can get up to 1230 in a relatively short period of time, I will shut it down and see how much of that we retain. Because it goes down almost to where you started.
Retention. We got these ninjas from Niagara Falls, Canada. And
Hello, hello. Awesome. Thank you, everybody, for liking that. That's cool.
yes, very much so. Very, very much. I guess more. I guess you.
All right. 1226. We got four more points to go till we hit home base.
Home base. That's a score.
All right. So, and yes, the more permanent magnets you add at 180 degrees, the more power this thing's going to have. So if I put one here, it'll have, yeah. But if I put one here and one there, yeah, dude, that's where the money is.
Yes. Welcome in.
Yeah, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm probably gonna do this one over again.
The whole design, or just with this base?
Well, I don't know, and I wasn't really talking about the rotor.
Oh my dude! All right.
Oh man, we are so close.
Thank you for the like.
Thank you. Bye.
Peace.
Yeah,
Welcome
you need.
in.
Hello.
Look at that. That says 12.3.
Free. Oh yeah, that's awesome. This little bridge wire coil charges actually pretty well.
Thank you for dropping in. We got a Ferris wheel pulse motor spinning. Like and subscribe.
All right, we're down to 23. 1223.
12.23. It's going down.
1222.
Oh man.
It's off, bro.
Oh.
1221.
All right. We're getting some data.
We're gonna see how much above like 1209 days. Yeah, that would be really good information.
For sure. It's got the info and the numbers and then the overtime. We got some strong numbers. Indicating that whoever paid us the most money was right. Yeah. No, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Oh, but that's what it feels like when you're in the presence of some people. Like some studies, paid studies.
All right. Well, I've pretty much showed you what I want to show you guys. Thanks for
That looks
stopping in.
amazing. Yeah, that looks great, bro.
Yeah. Looks better than the last one did anyway.
Dude, this is a great design and it's smooth. And it's got the all right, I'll stop. All right, so yeah. Do you want me to say something now? Are
Oh, you've
you
been
are
talking the whole stream, bro.
okay, so you're gonna log off now?
Yeah.
Sorry, man. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
Thank you all very much for coming in. I
Thank
really
you
appreciate
guys.
you guys. We'll get our acts together and we'll come back and talk to you later. All right. Peace. Thank
Pulse
you.
motor love.
Love, peace, harmony. Bye now.